Hey guys, welcome back to another video by BroStar20. Today I'm going to be making a couple of paper planes. So hopefully you guys can make them too, because they're really good paper planes. And so yeah, so please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, let's get into the first paper plane. So what you want to need is an A4 size paper. So what you want to start off is to fold it in half down the middle. Make sure it's all lined up nice and straight. That's the most important thing is. Make sure your paper plane's nice and straight. Alright, nice, so you've done that step. Alright, next step, you wanna so fold it from the corner, so from the right corner down. Make sure it's just nearly touching the line. Alright, fold this side as well. To there as well. Nice. Just like that. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to fold this bit here down to around probably right here, right there. Then you want to fold it like that, so your plant, yeah, it should look like that. It should really look like an envelope, sort of like that. Alright, so now what you want to do is from the corners in. Alright, fold that side. Do the same on this side, from the corner in. This is a really good paper plane too, so trust me, I built this probably a week ago and this is really good. So I'm just remaking it and showing you guys. Alright, so like that. So you've done that step, so it should look like this. So what you want to do now, see this bit right here? You want to fold that over like that. So you want to fold this bit right here over. Alright, so now you want to fold it from here, you want to fold it out this way. So make sure that's still there, keeping it together. Alright, so it should look like that so far. So make sure this bit here is on the outside. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to fold this down. Not too thick though, or too thin. Alright, now flip it over. Do the same thing what you just did on this side. Fold it down. Make sure it's nice and even as the other side. I'm just having a bit of trouble. Alright, so nice and straight. Alright, we're nearly done, guys. So now you want to do is put some wings on. So fold probably a little bit over. So just like that. So fold that bit from there over, and do the same on the other side. Nice, and make sure it's nice and straight as the other side. And then you're all done. So your plane should look like this. So it's nice and with that pointy bit right there, and also when you flip over, don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see this bit right here. That's got to be there. And then once you've built this, go and test it out because it is really good. Alright, let's move on to the second one. Alright guys, so now we've got the second one. So now we've got to get another, so the second A4 paper. So what you want to do is you want to fold it in half down the middle like that. Make sure it's nice and straight. That's the key to paper planes, nice and straight. Beautiful. Alright, once you want to fold it over, like that, and then go from the top on the right and left side, fold it down to the line that you just made when you just fold it in half, like that. Or it's a bit too far away, just a bit closer. Alright, just like that. Alright, so now fold that on the other side as well. Make sure it's nice and straight. Beautiful. Alright, so now what you want to do, this is the key part. You want to fold the top bit right here down to here. All the way down, nice and straight. Just like that. beautiful. I've never made this plane before, so I'm hoping it works out very well. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to fold it from here, from the corner down, but make sure so there's like a gap between the line here and there. This is the most key part, this line. So as you can see I've put it on an angle, not straight down, it's on an angle. And make sure you do the same bit for this side. Alright, now fold it over, just like that. Beautiful. So it should look like this. See that gap there? Make sure you leave some gaps, massive gap there. Alright, so now what you want to do, fold this bit here up. So fold that bit. Shit. Up to there, just like that, or maybe a bit more. So it's looking a lot like this. With that, with that bit up. Alright, so the next step is you wanna have it like this. So just flip it over. Then you wanna fold it over that way. I didn't fold it a bit straight at the start, but that's okay. But make sure you have. So it's looking like that. So what you want to do, so from this side right here, you want to flip it over and then fold it over like that. So it's looking like that, beautiful. Hopefully you guys got that right. Alright, so now this is sort of probably the key bit. So what you want to do is instead, I've never made this before. Alright, so now, you want to fold it down, so it should be looking a bit like this. So it should be looking, so you fold it down, fold it on an angle, like that. And you want to do the same thing, on the same, flip it over and do the same thing. Make sure it's nice and straight and even with the other side. Just take a bit of time for some reason. And fold it too straight on that side. Alright, so it should look like this so far. So it should look like that. So you want to do now is that is it. Sorry, that is it, guys. So there you go. There's your plane. How it looks, as you can see on this side. Alright, I'm gonna go try it out. Guys, I hope you like the two planes that I just made, and hopefully you made them as well. And yeah, they are pretty good planes, and especially this one right here. This is pretty good. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.